We are. It's wonderful to see you all. Yeah, everybody on the screen today is kind of a regular. So yeah, so let's just go around, remind each other who we are. Um, it's interesting because sometimes, like in person, I have a hard time remembering names in the world. These, or at least I had until COVID, but you guys I'm all remembering pretty well. But let's just go around, say our names, say where we are in the world, and just a quick image of what you're feeling this morning. Well, my image is actually an image I haven't been able to get out of my head this morning. I know that last Friday after our class, I had told you that I was going to attend the death of a friend of mine who died on Friday. And so I just keep having an image of her body laid out with uh, wrapped in this blue and white polka dot cotton blanket. And we spread rose petals all up and down her body. And for me, it's a sad image, but it's also a very beautiful image because it meant that she got to die the way she wanted to. So I was going to start with reading a poem, but I'm actually going to ask us to start with maybe a 3-minute write um, using the image that you just spoke about for your image this morning. So, because you all had very potent images. So, whatever your image was that you just let us know, use that as your prompt and let's write for 3 minutes. You all look very intent. Is anyone willing to read what came through?
Redwing, just in the interest of time, I was hoping that you would be able to read some of the selections. Your reading voice is so lovely, and we just so enjoy hearing you read.
I'm about to. Um, I was just debating actually. Well, I really want to read this poem, Praise. It's a little bit long, and partly when I put these poems together this week, I have to say it was just feeling like a very intense week to me with COVID on the rise and so intensely and everything going on in the world. And so to have a poem written by a Black man who is able to still look at praise felt important to me. So this is a poem named called Praise by Angelo Getter. Today I will praise. I will praise the sun for showering its light on this darkened vessel. I will praise its shine. Praise the way it wraps my skin in ultraviolet ultimatums, demanding to be seen. I will lift my hands in adoration of how something so bright could be so heavy. I will praise the ground that did not make feast of these bones. Praise the casket that did not become a shelter for flesh. Praise the bullets that called in sick to work. Praise the trigger that went on vacation. Praise the chalk that did not outline a body today. Praise the body for still being a body and not a headstone. Praise the body for being a body and not a police report. Praise the body for being a body and not a memory no one wants to forget. Praise the memories. Praise the laughs and smiles you thought had been evicted from your jawline. Praise the eyes for seeing and still believing, for being blinded from faith but never losing their vision. Praise the visions. Praise the prophets who don't profit off those visions. Praise the heart for housing this living room of emotions. Praise the trophy that is my name. Praise the gift that is my name. Praise the name that is my name, which no one can plagiarize or gentrify. Praise the praise. How the throat sounds like a choir. The harmony in your tongue lifts into a song of adoration. Praise yourself for being able to praise, for waking up when you had every reason not to. The way it wraps my skin in ultraviolet ultimatum.
Praise the body for still being a body.
Praise the bullets that called in sick to work.
Praise the body for still being a body and not a chalk outline.
Praise the heart for housing this living room of emotions.
Praise for praise.
How the throat sounds like a choir.
The laughs and smiles you thought had been evicted from your jaw.
The harmony in your tongue lifts into a song of adoration. Wow.
Praise yourself for being able to praise.
So let's use today I will praise as our prompt. Go ahead and start. Is someone willing to read? It's a poem by Lucille Clifton called Blessing the Boats. At the May the tide that is entering even now the lip of our understanding carry you out beyond the face of fear. May you kiss the wind, then turn from it certain that it will love your back. May you open your eyes to water, water waving forever. And may you, in your innocence, sail through this to that. May the tide that is entering even now the lip of our understanding carry you out beyond the face of fear. May you kiss the wind, then turn from it certain that it will love your back. May you open your eyes to water, water waving forever, and may you in your innocence sail through this to that.
Can you read one more time?
Sure. Blessing the boats. May the tide that is entering even now the lip of our understanding carry you out beyond the face of fear. May you kiss the wind, then turn from it certain that it will love your back. May you open your eyes to water, water waving forever. And may you, in your innocence, sail through this to that.
Open your eyes to water.
Sail through this to that. Yeah.
Carry you out beyond the face of fear.
The wind, then turn from it, certain it will love your back. It's one of my most favorite poems ever.
Mm.
So, again, just such gratitude to each and every one of you for using words in this way to help us all sail through this to that. And this is always just, we never know what's going to come through, come up for each of us, for all of us in this hour together. But it just always touches my heart so deeply. So, such gratitude to each and every one of you. May you keep writing. May you keep allowing these waterfalls of words to pour through you. Please share what you will. Send it, and have a wonderful weekend. Healing to everyone. Many blessings, and we'll see you again soon.